Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to program GPIO output with BSRR register with STM32F4 Nucleo board. So let us get started step by step. This is our previous project code. Here I am using ODR register to get the output, but now I will use BSRR register. So I will not edit in this code. I will create another project. So I will select and copy and create here new project, create here new folder. It is 03. Okay, select here controller. So I am using STM32F411RE and select here this controller and OK, and here select SIMSYS core and device is startup and OK. Edit this. It is optional, you can edit or not. So I will edit STM32F4 and I will edit SCR. I will add main file. So it is main.c. So C file and main. Okay, and I will paste here. So I will open reference manual. This is reference manual. Go to GPIO and GPIO registers and here go to BSRR register. Okay, this is BSRR register. So you can see 16 to 31 bits for reset. So these bits are reset bit and these bits are set bit. So you can see here 0 to 15 bits are set bit. So I am using here PA5. So it is fifth number bit. So I have to enable this bit and remaining bit will be 0. Okay. So I will edit here BSRR and this is correct because I am going to enable fifth bit and again, and to reset that bit we have to enable 21st number bit. This is BR5. Okay, so we have to enable 21st number bit and remaining bit will be 0. So edit this BSRR and here type 21st and we no need to here and negate this, and here we no need to OR because if it will be OR, so this bit will be also enable and this bit will be also enable simultaneously. So we no need to OR logic and AND logic. Okay, so just keep assign symbol. Now code is ready. I will just change here some configuration setting. So go to target and here 16 megahertz, select here compiler version 5 and go to debug select here ST-Link debugger and go to settings, go to flash download and here set and run. Okay, now okay. So just build the code. Wow, you can see 0 errors and 0 warnings. Okay, now I will just upload. Great, you can see LEDs blinking. So I hope you understood this video. If you really like this video, so you can support me on PayPal, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.